Today's job is a Tesla Model S. This is in for our paint enhancement, a ceramic sealant, as well as a full interior detail. But in this episode, I'm going to show you guys our pre-wash method and how to get this nasty, gritty junk off your vehicle before you contact wash it. Why is that important? I'll tell you why. Guys, if you're enjoying videos like this, and I hope you are, consider subscribing and clicking that bell so you don't miss stuff. Now, in this video, we're going to be using an alkaline degreaser. What is an alkaline degreaser? How can it help you in your detailing business? We'll show you how. So this is what I'm talking about. This nastiness right here, you do not want grinding into your paint. If you were to simply start washing this, that is going to get into your wash mitt and it is going to grind all over your paint, causing some scratches and swirls. So how do we safely remove this before we start actually contact washing the paint? I'm going to show you how we remove that without touching the paint.
Without touching the paint?
That's right. And here's one of the products you can use to do that. This is an alkaline degreaser. We're going to use this as our exterior pre-wash, which means before we touch the paint, we're going to rinse it, apply this, let it dwell, and then we're going to rinse it off. And it is going to remove a huge percentage of any of that nasty grit and dirt and mud particles that could actually scratch or swirl your paint. So we're going to mix this in a spray bottle. Now, most times, it's as easy as just rinsing it off. However, there may be still some junk or grit that's attached to the paint. So here's the next step. Using your alkaline degreaser, simply spray it on and let it dwell. Now, if you're doing this in direct sunlight, you only have 30 seconds, maybe 60 seconds, but you don't need to let this dwell so long so that it starts drying on the paint. This is basically to soften up any of the oils and traffic film that is on the paint before you're going to contact wash. Since this is an alkaline degreaser, it's a high pH, it's going to dissolve greases, fats, oils, and soften up any bonded junk that's on the paint. So after giving it about 20 to 30 seconds, you can rinse it off. So you can use this alkaline degreaser on the paint surfaces, the tires, the wheels, and the wheel wells. Now in the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to clean your wheels and your tires. But this is usually the first hit, the first cleaning application that we do to clean tires and wheels. So yes, this is safe for wheels, tires, wheel wells. It's not going to damage anything. In fact, this is my preferred pre-cleaning method. Now these wheels are pretty dirty on the inside here. So I will show you in the next video how to deep clean these wheels. Now remember, this type of pre-washing and cleaning are for vehicles that you're detailing first and you haven't seen them before. This is not for vehicles that already have, say, a spray coating, a ceramic coating, a sealant, a wax, any type of other protection. Doing this APC rinse or pre-wash method are for vehicles that need deep cleaning and that you're going to either polish or protect after. I'll show you in another video what we do for our maintenance details when we have a vehicle that is well protected. Now, can you apply this to dry paint? Yes, you can. However, I would not suggest doing it in the sun. So for my mobile detailers, just be careful. Pre-rinse your vehicle first and then use your cleaner. Is it going to dilute it so much that it's going to lose power or effectiveness? No, it's not. Don't overthink that. Doing an APC rinse like this or a pre-wash is very important to get this junk off first, whether the paint is wet or dry. Also, I get a lot of questions about this tip. I'll have links to it down below. This is the 25-degree tip. It's a 4.0 orifice. It's from MTM. So I'll have links to this down below. Don't forget to use code Miranda10 at Car Supplies Warehouse to get 10% off, as well as any of the other products that I'm showing you. Now you can also use this alkaline degreaser to clean the door jambs. Simply spray the cleaner in the door jamb, let it dwell for a couple of minutes because you don't have to worry about it over drying in the sun, and go back and rinse them out. Now this can also be applied to remove bugs. Because it is a high alkaline cleaner, once again, it can dissolve organic fats and oils. So it's perfect for bugs. Now if you need to go back and remove the bugs or agitate them with a bug sponge, you might need to do that too. Some bugs are just stubborn. Now another alternative to doing the APC rinse or doing the pre-wash this way is to use an alkaline snow foam. So this alkaline snow foam is diluted in our foam cannon. I put about 1 to 2 ounces to 20 ounces of water in this, and we're going to foam the entire vehicle down. Now I'm just showing this to demonstrate because we already pre-washed it or did an APC rinse with the other alkaline degreaser. So this step is just to show you guys an alternative method. Both methods can work. Choose one that works for you. So we can see this here, this is actually in direct sunlight. This is at the point where you want to rinse it off. Don't let it go any further than that.